The Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit is crucial in your detection system, as it is the cooling source for your germanium detector. Without adequate cooling, there are no measurements. This is key so that you can rely on your cryo-cycle unit and monitor its state of health at all times in order to optimize the uptime of your system. These two requirements were the drivers for the design of the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit. In this video, we will show you how the state of health can be closely monitored via the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle display application, and how to access and extract historical log data. Once the USB cable is connected to a laptop, tablet, or PC running Windows 7, 8, or 10, open the application. The application identifies all COM ports with ICC connections and automatically connects if only one ICC is connected. If multiple units are connected, the user chooses from a drop-down list. Multiple instances of the app can be opened, accommodating connections to multiple ICC units. Note that this is the same info as on the LCD screen. LN2 fill height in % total height. System date and time. Dewar pressure in units of pounds per square inch gauge. Cooler power in watts. This number will vary depending on the ambient temperature, the details of your detector cryostat type, and the vacuum of the system. Internal temperature of the cooler driver board in Celsius. This is typically 7 degrees warmer than the ambient laboratory temperature. Compressor temperature at the cooler cold head in Celsius. This will increase and decrease according to ambient temperature as well as the type of cryostat used in the system. If the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit has a warning or alarm, a descriptive message will be displayed at the bottom of the window. If there are multiple messages, the message will be followed by an ellipsis. Clicking on the ellipsis will open a new window that will display all messages. The user manual describes which actions you need to take depending on the error message. The standard application is released in US English. Note, however, the design is such that translation to French, German, Chinese, or Korean can be easily supported. Please contact your local Mirion representative to check on this language support. The Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit has an internal real-time clock that is used to record the date and time of each record in the data log. This is crucial for the historical tracking of certain events. For example, did the cooler power increase simultaneously with the temperature increase of the air conditioning setting? Selecting this menu option will automatically set the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit to the same time as the local computer. To assist users in identifying which Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit is represented in each display application, the system name will appear in the title bar of the display application. By default, the system name is the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit's serial number. Users can customize this name by choosing this menu option and setting a new name. The system name is stored in the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit's memory and is displayed each time the display application is opened. From the moment the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle unit is powered, it records each minute of all recordable parameters, the fault status, and the operational status in its onboard memory storage. Sufficient memory is provided to keep track of about 4 years of data. As a result, you will always have a complete picture of the unit's state of health. Furthermore, if there would be any doubt or concern regarding the correct operation of the unit, the log file can be easily shared with Mirion's service representative, who can further assist you. How to extract the log data? The Download Data Log menu option enables you to download the Intelligent Cryo-Cycle data log. Because a typical download rate is about 3 to 5 seconds per day of data, and you may only be interested in more recent data, the first pop-up window is asking for a date from which the data download will start. By default, the date is set for 24 hours prior to the current time, but this date can be changed to whatever past date is required. All data from the date chosen to the current date will be downloaded. Choosing a date older than the cryo-cycle unit itself will download the entire data log. Note that the log record number corresponding to the selected start date is also displayed. In the next pop-up window, you will have the ability to adjust the starting log record number. A subsequent pop-up window is prompting you with the location to store the data log. The default name will be the custom system name, followed by the selected start record number, but you can change this name as needed. Upon selecting the storage location, the data log will be downloaded. Depending on the data size, the download may take up to several hours, as in the case of downloading the full memory of 4 years of data. Note that downloading a month of data only takes a few minutes. Our data log file has finished downloading and is now in the selected folder. As you can see, the data log file is a comma-separated values or CSV file. Let's first open this file as it is to show what the content looks like. You can open the file in any kind of text editor or Excel. The file consists of different lines, each containing different columns or values, as separated by commas. The first 4 lines are the header lines. The first header line contains the custom system name, unit serial number, and controller firmware version. The second header line contains fault names represented in the binary list of fault values. The third header line contains the status bit names represented in the binary list of status values. The fourth header line are the labels for each of the following record lines. All subsequent lines correspond with a certain timestamp or log number containing the respective parameter values as indicated in the fourth header line. This CSV file can easily be converted into an XLSX file using the CSV import tool of Excel, where the different comma-separated values are listed in columns. The first 3 columns show the record number, date, and time information. Mute switch is on binary 1 or off binary 0. Fault and status are represented in binary code. The sequence follows the order as shown in the respective header lines. If a specific status is active, then this is represented by 1. Columns with all recordable parameters, for example pressure, power, LN2 level, temperatures, and fan speeds. Fan fuse is represented by a 4-bit pattern corresponding to the status of the overload fuse for each fan 1 through 4, left to right respectively. In normal operation, all 4 bits will be 1. The message column shows the active warning or alarm message at the time of the record log. If multiple messages are applicable, only the most important message is logged. Whenever you are uncertain about the performance of your cryo-cycle unit, use the log data to investigate the trends of the logged parameters.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.